We talk about how can you pay on your Walmart app. We go to figure out the solution, know how you can do that to to pay items. All you have to do in the first, just scrolling down until you found here this items here. Can you select any of this item you want to pay? For example, I'm going to click here on this item. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open video like this here. So then you click here on pay. Just click on pay. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here can you just pay the or click here on place order here. So then, so before that you have to add an address. When you have your address here, so then automatically when you add here your address, it's going to take you to pay this item here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.